Hey everyone, Jimmy with the Triple C Collective here, ready to give you guys our new unboxing. As you can see, it's the sewer layer, the new NECA TMNT Toon sewer layer. Check out this front box art. Look at how great that is. That box art is just so sweet. This thing is so big that it comes with a handle, like insane handle to lift it up. Let's see. Here is some side box art of the layer. Here is the back of the box art of the layer. Finally. Oh no, they don't have it. Or is it on this side? Nope. I guess they don't have it. On the van, they had a little bit of a setup guide for it, and I thought that they were going to put one on the bottom of the box here for the sewer layer, but I guess they didn't. But here's some more excellent box art. All right, let's go ahead and dive in to the NECA sewer layer. Okay, so as I was taking this out, I wanted to call out all of the tape was ripping off paint and color on the box here, so just want to let everyone know when you do open it, if you want your box to be completely like mint, be careful about it. I would highly suggest just slicing the tape as opposed to trying to peel it off the box, as you can see here. But the reason why I point this out is because I talked about the setup. The setup is actually not on the bottom of the box, but on this inner flap here when you open the box. So that's the setup. It's a step-by-step guide to kind of help you get everything together. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to go ahead and put this thing together for it so you guys can see it. I'm really excited about it. I'm so stoked to have this layer put together. Okay everyone, so as you can see, I have broken it down here. Over here we have all the individual pieces. We can see the chair, the couch, the different piping, different stop signs, exit signs, all of that stuff. The table, very excited about all of that. And then over here on the left, we have one of the ground pieces, the other ground or floor piece, the two short walls, and then the long back wall there. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and we're going to dive in and show you guys how this stuff looks put together. So actually, as I was opening up one of the ground pieces, I saw that we've got some other items stuck back here. So we've got like the turtle rug. Not really sure, just different paint pieces that we can put up in the layer there. Probably some, like, because it's like blue and gray, so it looks like some like water, kind of water staining or whatever that you can put up on the walls there. But this turtle, the like rug here, this actually kind of feels like a mouse pad, if I'm being honest, and it kind of like the back and it just kind of feels like a mouse pad, so that's pretty cool. So that's in the back of one of your floor pieces here as well. So upon further review of what I was calling the ground piece, there's actually nothing here. So this is actually probably the top of the sewer layer, as this looks like it's a true ground to like the outside or real world, if you will, in the Toon world. As you can like see the eyes here, you can kind of like drop down into it. So this is actually probably the top of it. Whereas like if you don't have the Toon street scene diorama, or really any of the street scene dioramas, where you could put this on top of it instead of probably putting one of those. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this bad boy put together. We have our floor piece already. Take a quick look. The instructions there. It says connect the wall pieces and then connect it to the floor. So that's what we're going to go ahead and do. So we've got all of our pieces here. We've got our short wall to go in, our long wall that is back here. Got that. Bam. Got that in there. Got the pegs all lined up here that go into the floor piece here and here. All set. I'm gonna go ahead and now I'm gonna go ahead and get the right hand side here all nice and in there. There we go. Okay, yeah. Got that, and now time to line them up all right here. Cool. Walls are all set up. We are good to go there. And yeah, so now, according to this, let's just go ahead and get the pipes and everything set up. Okay, everyone, so this is the back wall pipe. This pipe goes here, right here on the left wall, and then this one is the one that goes right there on the right wall. So let's go ahead and get these bad boys connected. So do want to call out, there's this little groove right here that matches up to that little notch right there. Bam. Nice and easy in there. There you go. Go ahead and take this, same thing, little notch right here. Here it is, right here, and okay, bam. So there we go. And now we just match up this, this, oops, and this one with their respective holes on the wall. Okay, so let's go ahead and get this plugged in here. Okay. Oops. There we go. There we go. It is all hooked up and plugged in. And yeah. So there we go. Okay, everyone, so all of the decorations, wall hangings, they all have the little pegs that will match up to the little holes here. Interesting thing, though, as I was looking at them, is that the exit sign here is extremely small. So, when you check out this one here, that's why this one, let me zoom in. That is why that one right here is so small, because that's where the exit sign goes. Now if I could just match it up, that'd actually be great. There it is. all nice and matched up. Now let me zoom back out. There we go. So then you basically just decorate it however you want. You can put the that right there. Stop sign right over there. I like that guy. There we go. Oops, let me straighten that out. Then we've got a scroll right there. And the one-way sign. So there we go. All right, now we've got the walls decorated. Let us get the furniture in here now. Okay, so before we start decorating our sewer layer here, gotta call out the accessory set. It's the only way to get the TV. It's the only way to get that little TV set there, and it's pretty sweet. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw mine in here as well. Okay, so TV is in there. We've got the couch. We've got, actually, I'm gonna move my couch right here. I'm gonna put that table right there. Actually, I'm gonna move that back even more. Maybe even like that. Put that there. Put that there. Then put that little lantern there, and then maybe back there. Bam. So there's two other things that I wanted to add here. Second, I put down the turtle, room mat, placemat right here, and then these two pieces. Like I said, they are the water stains that are supposed to be added to the wall. You are able, I don't know if I showed this before, you're able to add them or stick them to the wall by peeling back this 3M tape, this double-sided tape here. And yeah, just put them anywhere you want on the wall. You can mimic whatever you see on the box or whatever you saw in the cartoon, or however you so please. But with that, this is JimmE with the Triple C Collective. I have one thing I want to do before I wrap up. I am going to put the other street part of it on top of here so that we can see how this looks. So, got that. Got that. And then, bam. So that's the layer. This is my setup of the Toon sewer layer. Again, I am JimmE with the Triple C Collective. I want to thank you all for joining me here for this new unboxing of the NECA Toon sewer layer. Please check out our Instagram for all of our follow-up photos about this. Please like and subscribe to this video and to our channel. Please stay safe. And as always, cowabunga!